Time to eliminate the chrome door pulls in my Toyota Tacoma. Well, good afternoon everybody, and welcome back to the channel. That's right, it is time to eliminate the chrome door pulls inside my Toyota Tacoma. You know, the door handles, these things right here. We're going to eliminate this ugly chrome. We're going to take care of that today. And what I've got here, and we'll go ahead and unbox them together. I haven't actually even looked to see what these are. They're supposed to fit over the door handles inside the Tacoma to eliminate the chrome, obviously. So let's go ahead. I gotta grab a knife. Okay, got the box cut open. I gotta tell you, I don't think anybody has better packaging than Meso Customs does. I don't know, but anyway, let's. I hope we're not paying for it. But we probably are. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got inside here. A little shipping information, set that aside. And then a couple of boxes. And a decal. Pretty cool. This will go on my post there. But let's open one of these bad boys up. See what we actually got here. Oh, there you go. Again, nicest packaging in the market. I don't know where they get this stuff, but it always looks good. Anyway, they are just plastic covers. So far, they look pretty darn good to me. Let's pull one out of here. You guys can see, there you go. They should just easily snap right over. I have a gnat bothering me. Snap right over the existing door pulls to black them out. So we're going to see just how easy this is to do and whether or not they actually stay on there. They look pretty quality. Okay, there are some instructions, well not really instructions, a little bit of instruction on the back, but this is another instance where if you want detailed instructions, I don't know why you'd need them, but you have to go to their website to find them, so I don't think we're going to need them, but let's find out. Go ahead and pull one out. They do say on the back left and right, so I guess this must be a left. I don't know if it really matters, but nor do I think it matters front versus back. But let's find out. Supposedly they just snap right on there. I'm going to kind of pull the door handle out a little bit to see if I can get it back in there. And I can. Then I'm going to kind of push a little. And that may be it. Let's take a look at the other one just to see if I'm hitting all the little things that would grab. It looks like it. I'm not sure. Did hear just the slightest little click there. Now if I wanted to take it off, pull one off just to see how easy that is to do. And I know what you're saying, you've got it on, be happy, but you might want to take it off at some point, right? Feels like it's coming there. Okay, well they obviously fit on there pretty snugly, so we've got one off. I do want to check real quick just to make sure. Yeah, you can only put them on one way, so pretty simple. Let's try that again. So I'm going to go ahead, push it on, and I did hear a little snap, and I think that's about it. Doesn't impede the door handle. I think that's it. Curious to see, the door handle does stick out just a little bit. So I'm not sure if I actually have it on there correctly. Let's move to the back. We'll use that for reference. Okay, we're going to try the same thing back here. Again, I believe you have to pull the door open, or the handle open, and you see it does fit all the way flush there, so it's not hanging out at all, right? So we know that to begin with. So let's go ahead, open it up a little, slide it back, and then pull forward. I did hear a little click again. Now this one fits all the way. So, oops. I'm thinking I don't have the front one on properly, because this one does not pull out at all. It goes all the way on, just like so. So I'm going to take a look at that front one again, just to make sure that I have it on properly. There is a little bit of a trick to it, just a little bit. You'll notice my door handle doesn't go all the way in, and I'm going to show you why. Let's go ahead and pull this thing back off. Gently. Well, enough so it's out like this. What you want to do is go ahead and stick it in to the back first, like so that it kind of grabs from the back, and then pull forward, and that's it. That way you make sure it kind of grabs with that back area that it has, and that puts it on there just right. So there's a little tip for you. If you're putting this on, make sure that you kind of slip the back in over that back edge, so that it kind of grabs that little nub that I showed you there, and then pull it forward just slightly, and it'll snap into place. Not too difficult to do. This isn't rocket science, I realize, but if you don't get it on all the way, you don't get it on all the way. Okay, got them all on, all four corners. Let's take a look. There they are. There's one on the driver's side. Nice finish, covers up all the chrome. You can't see it at all. There's over there on the passenger side, same thing, covers up all the chrome. Notice you can't see any chrome there. I think that is awesome. Awesome look. Let's go around to the back. Take a peek in here. You guys can see, same thing there, covers up all the chrome. Looks OEM, man, looks really good. Quick peek over there on the other side. I know it's a bit dark. Let's zoom you in. There you go. Get a good look at what that looks like. Awesome product. Easy install, really. Just got to make sure that you put that little front corner in first. After that, it's pretty simple to do. Again, it's not rocket science. What are they? How do you order them? Well, you can go to Meso Customs. That's where I got mine. They're called door handle covers, 4-door black. They go for 40 bucks plus shipping and tax or whatever else you might have in your area. Anyway, pretty cool little thing. Simple to do. Shouldn't take you more than about 5 minutes. Once you get the hang of how they go on in that back part, it's pretty simple. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think it's awesome. Again, getting rid of the chrome inside the Tacoma. I don't have much left. To be honest, all I have left are around the controls, and I'm waiting for some of these to come back in stock. So as soon as they do, we'll go ahead and finish up the chrome delete inside my truck. Let me know what you think of those. Also, real quick, shameless plug, if you haven't before and you're interested, check out my other channel. It is RobMotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator, right up there. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, like the LED reverse lights from Headlight Revolution that I'm giving away right now. There's a link down below if you want to get entered in that. Check it out. Also, real quick, if you haven't before, smash that subscribe button on your way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.